Hey, I wanted to bring you along for a process that I really love. We're getting a look inside Chasing Greatness 26.2 Ways Teaching is Like Running a Marathon. Book 24 from Times 10 Publications by Mike Roberts, an amazing teacher and runner. This guy's run like over 50 marathons. And in this book, he shares ways with you how teaching and running a marathon are alike. And there's great stories in here. There's a lot of good humor. There's strategies that you can use to recreate a lot of these stories. And I think teachers, runners are going to love it. And if you're a teacher and a runner, you're really going to love it. Here's me going through. I love this tool. It gives me a chance to see idea go to printed book. And this is the last look at this digital file before this book could be in your hands in paperback format. And this is what you're going to see. You're getting a look at it now, a sneak peek. And here's the other books from Times 10. There's a lot of those featured in here. You can go to times10books.com to see all of them. There's our resources, all our hashtags. Please connect with us. Check out Chasing Greatness. I think you'll love it.